If you're wondering how much storage you've used in Zoho Mail, or if you're close to hitting your limit, this quick guide is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. To start, open your web browser and head over to Zoho Mail. Log in with your email and password, and once you're in your inbox, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on it. This takes you to your profile settings. Scroll down a little and you'll find the section that shows your storage details, including how much you've used and the percentage of your total space. That's it. You've just checked your Zoho Mail storage. If you're running low, you can free up space by deleting old or unnecessary emails. Stay on top of your storage to keep Zoho Mail running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Like this video if it helped and subscribe for more quick Zoho Mail guides.